ngayon, nandito ako sa unit ko para gawin yung video presentation. Well, anyway, guys, I so miss you, as in super. And thank you for the 4 years we've spent together kahit na lagi akong wala. And yun, ang dami kong natutunan, lalo kay Sir Dan, kay Mama Peach. Grabe. I'm so speechless. Pero, thank you talaga kasi natutunan ko not only to act, to perform, sing, kahit hindi naman ako marunong talaga, and to dance, syempre. Natutunan kong magmahal na, syempre, family thing. Guys, you're my second family, you know that. And thank you. Kahit ba sabihin natin na nawalan ako ng social life outside, well, it's all worth it. Well, anyway, andito ako sa unit nga. So, yan yung view ko from my unit. Well, medyo paulan na. And punta pa akong Sofitel later para lang makuha pa yung ibang part ng video. So, itong area na to, yan, yung nakikita nyo yan is Makati. Yun lang. Tapos, ito, let's see, smog. Yan, part ng Manila is Ortigas. Yun. Tapos, yan. Yan. That one is Saint Scholastica. Wala lang. Tour around the city where I live. Tapos, this, yan. LRT yan. Pag ganon, going to Baclaran. And pag ganon, going to North. Yun lang. And then, bye-bye! Later ulit!